Today we will be talking about our irrigation tester and tone probe kit and using that to identify electrical wires. Using the Invent King Innovation ITK makes troubleshooting easier by quickly allowing you to identify zones and wires at the controller. To identify electrical wires, you're going to want to go to the valve box and connect one of the clips to the wire that you want to identify. Then you'll take the other clip and you'll connect it to a suitable ground. If there is not a suitable ground available, you can always use a screwdriver and insert that into the earth to use as a ground instead. On the irrigation tester, you'll move the toggle switch at the top to the send tone position. At the controller, turn on the tone probe by pressing the black button. Touch the tone probe to each wire, listening for the audible tone to increase and looking for the flashing light to brighten. The audio will be amplified as you get closer to the correct wire, and the light on the tone probe will flash brighter. Address sensitivity as needed to isolate the correct wire. For any technical support or warranty questions, please visit us online at invent.com/kinginnovation.